Go to ChatGPT and paste these prompts. You find it in description. Now, let's choose the topic for the video. Here ChatGPT give me 20 topic idea for the video. Now let's choose one. Let's just write the number topic. Let's choose the number 4. Now ChatGPT, it's give me full prompt for generate image and will give me the full prompts for generate the video. This is the prompts for video and this prompt for the image. Let's copy the image prompt and let's go to Grok AI. It's free to use. Pass the prompt, choose the size image and click generates. Now Grok AI generated me a beautiful image from the prompts. Let's choose the good one. I like this. Click on it and go back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompts. And go back to Grok AI. Pass the prompts, choose the image, video option, and that's it. You'll see your video generated by Grok and ChatGPT for free.